Well, let's see what we have here. Our delicious and appetizing rice and peas is now finished. My subscribers and viewers, welcome again to another fine episode in Cliffy's Kitchen. Today I have a nice special treat for you. Of course, this is going to be all about the famous Jamaican rice and peas. Why is it so nice? Why is it so important? Why is it something that we all look forward to so much? I'm going to tell you why, and I'm going to show you why. Why is rice and peas such a favorite in Jamaica? Well, it's a tradition in Jamaica. On a Sunday, people expect to get rice and peas, and I dare to say chicken, prepared however you want to prepare that chicken. But rice and peas is a must. And so people take time out not just to give you rice with a different color, but rice with quality. And these ingredients will speak to that quality because it's gonna give you that taste that have people asking for more. To begin with, friends, if you notice here, I have red peas. This is almost 3/4 pounds of red peas. I have a pot of boiling water here. When I say a pot, not really a full pot, but just amount to soak this red peas, which this particular process will be done for about 15 minutes. So I'm going to turn off my flame and just leave it there. And another 15 minutes we will come and get the cooking process going. So this is another way of soaking your peas. You can soak it for 4 or 5 hours, or you can soak it in hot water, which won't take more than 15 minutes for you to start cooking your peas. And that is the style that I'm using. Well, friends, notice what we have here to really make our rice and peas really go over the top. The ingredients we have to use in it, we have scallion. At least we have 2 nice stalks of scallion. We have some thyme. We have a little piece of rosemary. You can't use a lot of that because the aroma is very strong. We have what you would call about half an ounce of ginger. We have a small onion which we will mince or chop. We have some garlic, about 5 cloves. We have 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tin of coconut milk. Okay, let us see what we have here now. Okay, look at these. Notice how stretched out they are, just like when you would have soaked it overnight or for 5-6 hours in cold water. The hot water does it faster, so that's a trick for you guys looking on. You don't have to wait a whole day to soak your peas. I am now going to put in a few cloves of garlic in there. You know, garlic serves as a sort of tenderizer, so it will even help to cook the peas quicker. And I'm going to turn on my heat now and let these peas go on cooking. Maybe in another 25 minutes to half an hour, we'll see how far it reached, and we will give you the breakdown on it as we go along. It's time now to see what's going on with our peas. Okay, everything is submerged. Let me see how soft they are. I'll just take one, and notice it can be smashed with your finger. That means they're at least 3/4 cooked. So it's time now then to put in the seasoning, especially the coconut milk. These will go on cooking for another 15 minutes, and then it will be time to put in the rice. Okay, all our seasonings combined, and this is our salt and sugar. And not to be left out is King Scotch bonnet. These are going to give you the flavor to be drawing you to the food from afar off. We just stir these in and leave it cooking for another 15 minutes. And then we have a pot full of flavor ready for the rice. Well, this is what we have right now. This rice rice and peas water here. It looks really so good. You could be fooled that it's red peas soup, but it's not. It's just a nice consistency it cooks down to. I notice the two Scotch bonnets, they're here, they are not burst open, so it's just a flavor in there, not the heat. I'm now going to add my rice in it. This is 3.5 cups, and Julian will tell you why she especially like to cook Jasmine rice when she's doing rice and peas.
So for me, you get a different flavor profile when you use the jasmine rice or the basmati rice, which, you know, it takes it to another level. But if you only have just the regular long grain rice available to you, then that's no problem. I mean, all the seasonings that were used in making the rice and peas will do it just this way.
Okay, so there you got it. We are gonna cover up now and let this rice go on steaming until it's over. We'll keep our fire on medium to low just for a nice gradual steaming of our rice and peas. Well, let's see what we have here. Our delicious and appetizing rice and peas is now finished. See how nice it looks, mouth watering indeed. The peppers fare out well. We're going to take them out, and those pieces of seasoning like the thyme and stuff like that, we're going to take them out before sharing, but just to give you a look at the finished product in the pot. And it looks really appetizing, real delicious, and I'm sure we're going to make a meal of it anytime now. Thanks very much for watching this rice and peas video, guys. Personally, it is one of my favorite. I hope you'll find it really interesting too. We made a lot of effort to try and get it right. You might not get the same effort everywhere, but you'll get no less in Cliffy's Kitchen. We appreciate your continuing watching our videos, and so we encourage you to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Of course, if you haven't done so already, we look forward to your continued support along that line. And of course, stay with us. We'll catch you in our next video.